Okay, so we stopped at a barber shop, and here are the air conditioners. This one's for the barber shop. It is a ductless system. Thermal Zone Heat Pump 13 SEER. This thing is quiet. Made in China. This is a 07, I believe. Mini split heat pump. It is it's a 2-ton, has 410A. And this is for the business next door. This is a really, this is really beat up. And someone rednecked the electrical panel. It's a good Janitrol. No, it's a Goodman from '98. It's a CK, there's the model. It's a 2.5 ton. Anyways, it's like quiet. It is on. There's like 100 out here. Anyways, over and out. Okay, we're still at the barber shop, and I came across this little unit. It is a Janitrol. It's got a Bristol compressor. Is this a heat pump? And it is a heat pump. Goodman manufacturing. It still has that original little sticker. It is a 99, and it is CPKE 24-1AB is the model, and it is from 1999. But I know this is a Janitrol because it's got that design and a Goodman, which I don't even know if this is operational, but this is in really good shape for being that old. And the air handler's in the attic. Here's the condensate drain. And just for the heck of it, I'll just get another quick video of the Thermal Zone ductless system and the other unit. See, this is what a Goodman looks like. That one's nice and tall, nice and flat. But that one back here is a Janitrol. Yeah. And here's the Thermal Zone, which is off. It's off right now. And I can't get a video of the indoor unit. Thermal Zone. For a Chinese-made unit, it's fairly quiet. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I gotta go now.